Okay, so today we're going to learn how to make delicious eggs over shredded wheat. Sounds terrible, tastes great. So the setup here, we've got one biscuit of shredded wheat in the bowl. We've got this little handy dandy sieve there. And we have our Beau Monde seasoning, very hard to find. And we'll need some butter. So the first thing we do is we bring the water to a hard boil. We put eggs in right out of the refrigerator. And for soft-boiled eggs, 7.5 minutes at our elevation seems to work just great. Okay, there's the hard boil. Here go the eggs. Start the timer. Okay, we've reached our 7.5 minutes. I'm going to pour water over the biscuit, drain the rest, put cold water on the eggs so they stop cooking. We drain the shredded wheat. And we put it right back in the bowl. A little butter. Get permission from your doctor to do this before you try it. A little Beau Monde. Crack the perfectly cooked eggs over the shredded wheat. Perfect. Got a little shell there. There you have it. Eggs over shredded wheat. I like to mix it up all together. And there you have the perfect breakfast.